In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer Pokemon from Go to Home. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Pokemon Home is the service that basically connects all Pokemon games together, and it allows you to deposit Pokemon from specific Nintendo Switch, 3DS, and Pokemon Go, and also allows you to withdraw them into other different games. So you can deposit Pokemon that you've acquired in Pokemon Go, retrieve them in Pokemon Home, and then transfer them into different games, as you can see here in this chart. So, to start, open Pokemon Go and access these settings. Inside of the settings, you have to look for Pokemon Home. So go into the settings and find the Pokemon Home category. When you choose Pokemon Home, you will see the information available here and the main thing, which is to sign in with a Nintendo account. This Nintendo account has to be the same between both games or services. So you sign into the same account that you use for Pokemon Home. Once you are signed in, this button will then change into Send Pokemon. As you can see here, Pokemon sent to Pokemon Home cannot be sent back to Pokemon Go, so keep that in mind. Once you choose the option to send Pokemon, you will see this message here. You need to charge up the Go transporter, so make sure that you either use the coins or you wait until it is fully charged. After it is sufficiently charged, you will be able to choose some select Pokemon to transport into Pokemon Home. So you just tap on them here, you will be able to compare, see the ones that you want to send, and once you have all of them selected, choose next. You will see a summary of all of the Pokemon that you have, and you can choose the option here. If it was successful, you will see this message, you've sent your Pokemon to Pokemon Home, and when you open the application, you will see this message now. One or more Pokemon have been transferred from Pokemon Go. Choose the option to receive them, you will see them at the top, and you simply have to confirm once again. If you are doing this on the Switch, choose the option from the home screen, so it is going to be this button here, and you will essentially do the same thing that you did previously, where you accept and retrieve the Pokemon. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Pokemon from Go to Home. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.